show you how to make a baby boy or girl shoe. I'm using needle of 2.5 mm and 3 ply wool. I chain 23 already. Now I will make in second chain half double crochet in all stitches. Make half double crochet till end of the line. I will be back in a moment. Now I finished my line, half double crochet in all stitches. Now I have to chain 2, turn the work, and back loop. In back loop of the chain, do half double crochet. In all stitches, back loop of the chain. See, this is a chain and this is back loop. Make all stitches half double crochet till end of the line. By this line too. Now turn chain 2 and turn your work. In the back loop, skip 1. In the back loop, make half double crochet in all stitches like before. In every stitch, half double crochet. Make this pattern about 13 row. Make this pattern, same pattern, and make it for 13 row. I will meet you there. Now I finished my desired size. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 rows. And in inches it is 10 inches. 10 inches in length and 3.5 inches in width. Now I cut the yarn in a long way, long size, sorry. Now join I am using a needle to stitch it. Okay. Start stitching. Stitch all stitches. like this. Okay, stitch it till here. Put a stitch marker. I will tell you what to do here. One inch. Stitch it all till this end. Now I stitch it to this end. From all over here. Now remove the stitch marker and stitch like that. Now pull the thread tight and sew it. Cut the yarn. Now this is the toe, and from this side I will do the same as I did with toe. From the front of the shoe, like this, I will make this is the, now see, again I will check how it is to I did a wrong. This is the right size now. Now tight it. Cut the yarn. Now turn it to the right side. Now this is my boot. You can put a little heart on the center of this boot. And it will look so cute and beautiful. I hope you will like it. It's very easy boot for 3 to 6 month baby. Stitch it or fix it with glue or thread. See? I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video inshallah. Till now, Allah Hafiz.